Our 1650 extrusion lines and over 69,000 circular looms process 5.67 million metric tons of plastic yearly. With this scale of operation, the need for seamless real-time communication became crucial.
Our 20-plus-year-old phone system had reached its end of life. It was running with limited support and faced significant connectivity challenges for on-site and off-site workers.
Lohia Corp needed a flexible and scalable cloud telephony system that runs seamlessly, irrespective of location, is easy to manage, and is secure.
Cisco Webex is the perfect solution for Lohia Corp. Once Webex was implemented, the transformation was evident. Our operating expenses reduced significantly. Cloud telephony eliminated the need for a server and improved user mobility. The shift to SIP lines allowed for easier administration, routed fewer calls to operators, and enhanced voice quality.
Integrating call handlers and IVRs minimized operator calls and helped enable directory search on desk phones and mobile apps. We could upgrade rollouts, expedite desk phone deployment, and easily streamline new site setups through Webex Cloud. We no longer need to manage the old jumbled wiring systems. This is a game changer for Lohia Group.